So we're over here at the truck, guys, and we were just thinking about it. That little target way up there is getting lonely, and these guys are getting all the action because we're having more fun with the pistols, right?
I don't know. I threw some lead down at that one with the AR.
Whatever. 20 rounds. Anyways, so
30.
Run, bitch. Let's go. We're gonna run up there and do some shooting up here, but fucking make ourselves exhausted before we get up there. Running through sand and shit. Let's move!
I don't even know where the fuck we're going. Brett!
Is your heart pounding?
Oh yeah. Am I freaking?
Let's go, unload, unload, unload.
Empty. Got cactus in me.
Nice.
Stick. Didn't know where the hell I was running to. That was fun.
There you go.